Hi, in this video we'll be looking at how your students go about joining your class. Once you have set up your class and invited your students, how would your students be able to join the class you have invited them to? So once your students have created their Gmail accounts and they have gotten their invitation and clicked on the option for joining, of course, once they go to their Google Classroom accounts, they would have to first click on the option to join the class. And once they click on the plus sign right here, they would have two options. One is create class and the other would be joining. And in this case, we'd click on joining, and the class code that they would have been given, and in this case, class code is right here. I'm just going to copy and paste class code here and paste it right here and click on the option for join. Now once I click on the option for join, you would now notice that I have successfully joined the course, and if there were classwork that were assigned, I would be able to see them here. We have not assigned any coursework for this class as yet, and so you're not seeing that. But this is the process the students would go through to join your classroom. So if this video actually helped you in any way, please like, share, comment, and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.